In this video, we will learn about the gas random motion, meaning the motion of individual particles in a gas. How do we know how the particles of air, for example, are moving when we can't actually see them? To answer this question, we need to do an experiment. This is a smoke cell experiment, where we have a smoke cell, which is a container full of air. In that container, we can then inject some smoke. By observing how the small particles are moving, we will be able to deduce how the air particles themselves are moving due to their collision with the smoke cell particles. So let's take a look at this in details. First, let's have a more in-depth look into this experiment. This is the experimental setup. We have a microscope to observe the smoke cell. As we know, it's just a little chamber filled with air, and we have injected some smoke molecules inside. On the right, we have a lamp. The purpose of the lamp is to provide a bit of light so that we can observe better. This is what we'll see if we look in the microscope. We can see smoke particles moving at random velocities. By random velocities, we mean different values in different directions as well. The path taken by one smoke particle will look something like this. But why are the particles moving randomly? Actually, air molecules collide randomly with smoke particles. The air molecules must be moving very fast to make this happen, since they're too small to see, and the smoke particles are much bigger than the air molecules. What you see here is the random motion of smoke particles, affected by the random impact of the gas or air molecules on each smoke molecule.